CELF Civic Science Inquiry to Action is an interdisciplinary, place-based STEAM program that gets kids and teachers out of the classroom to conduct real-world scientific problem-solving in their own communities. We train teachers in best practices of project and place-based learning and help them develop and innovate classroom curricula. We focus on instructional strategies that enhance student engagement and build pathways to 21st century careers. Civic science students identify sources of pollution, understand connections to human behaviors, and collaborate on how to communicate their findings. The act of comparing data in different places encourages students to think about environmental disparities and engage with civic and legislative processes to take action. By connecting their learning to a challenge they can see, feel, touch, and experience, and encouraging them to do something about it, we can develop the leaders we need for the future we all want.